Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito mint syrup. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mint, granulated sugar, and water. For the perfect simple syrup base, you'll want a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar to water. Before you begin, make sure your mint leaves are thoroughly washed and ready to infuse their vibrant flavor into your syrup. Next, let's prepare the simple syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's important not to boil the mixture. A gentle simmer is all you need to create that clear, sweet base. Once your simple syrup is ready and still warm, it's time for the star ingredient, the mint. Add a generous half cup of fresh mint leaves directly into the syrup. Gently muddle the mint with a spoon or muddler to help release those aromatic oils. Let the mint steep for about 15 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully infuse. After the mint has steeped, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the leaves and any small solids, leaving you with a beautifully clear, mint-infused syrup. Allow the syrup to cool completely before pouring it into an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Now you're ready to enjoy your homemade Mojito, mint syrup in your favorite drinks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.